Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. For today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Israel. Shalom to our Israeli friends. And yeah, Eurovision Song Contest having their semi-final for this week. And we have to make some video reaction to our favorite artist. And we are rooting for her to win in this Eurovision Song Contest because her message of the song, her her experience towards the October 7th event in Israel, it's so like touching, and you can truly feel towards the song that she will be performing this year's Eurovision Song Contest, entitled Yuval Rafael performance in New Day Will Rise live at live Israel second semi-final Eurovision 2025, and this performance is in Switzerland, Basel, that they will be performing for semi-final round. And credit also with the owner of the video, of course, Eurovision Song Contest. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentary. Goodness, I'm so excited with this one because the emotion she just put, and I wanted her to win this year's Eurovision Song Contest. If she will not win, put her in a strong contenders of this year, because I believe in Yuval Rafael talent. Let's get to it, guys, and enjoy with this. And please do consider like, share, subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Have fun with
your superhero.
this. Israel, New Day Will Rise by Yuval Rafael.
And even if you say goodbye, you'll never go away. You are the rainbow in my sky, my colors in the gray, my only way.
Oh my God. Whew. It's like few lines of it. I just goosebumps, guys. The emotions, those lines, goodness. Yuval, I really want you to win because I can feel those pain. I can feel it. Oh my goodness. Who when Yuval always sings, I can feel and I can sense the emotion. She just put it. Even just full lines, I can feel it now.
Wish upon a star, sunshine in the day, the only song that my piano ever plays. And even if you say goodbye, you'll always be around to lift me
Oh
up
my.
and take me high, keep my feet.
Oh my goodness, Yuval, you're so amazing. Like, even those few lines she just sang, the smile on her face, because as she started, but still I can feel it, that this is song. Please put Yuval to the winning circle, or she will win in this year's Eurovision because she deserves it. The way the song, the way she just put her true emotions, the message of the song, it's so great already. That's why I don't know why that I can feel those pain, I can feel the passion she just put in the song. Yubal, goodness gracious, you're amazing.
Are you proud of me tonight? Dreams are coming true. I choose the light, nothing to lose if I lose you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Don't cry alone. Darkness will fade, all the pain will go by, but we will.
Oh my God, those message. Whew, it's very clear. It's right. That's why I salute how strong she is. That's why I think she wrote this song of what people should experience and what people should do after the bad experience that they had. A new day will rise. It sends a good message. It sends a powerful message to the world. Oh, this is such a fantastic and phenomenal and brilliant song of this year's Eurovision.
Even if you say goodbye.
Oh, wow.
Même si tu dis adieu, tu ne partiras jamais. T'es l'arc-en-ciel dans mon ciel bleu. Mes cœurs dans le cri, on se souhaite sous un ciel d'art, un rayon de ma journée. La seule chanson que mon piano peut jouer. New day will rise, life will go.
Hearing those like changes of the language, wow, that's incredibly and smart as always, that you truly enjoyed seeing this big chandelier, and it's like it's elegant. Her voice, it's really amazing. Those mellow tone, the passion, those like emotions of the tone that you can feel with the song, that's incredibly phenomenal. And wow. Whew. The theme of this performance of Yubal, it's they're incredibly genius of doing this.
Everyone cries, don't cry alone. Darkness will fade, all the pain will go
That
by, but we won't stay. Even if you say, yeah, they will rise, life will go on. Everyone cries, don't cry alone. Darkness will fade, all the
see the message, everyone will cry, darkness will fade. Yes, of course, darkness will fade because no evil will win. Of course, evil will exist, but they will not win because peace and love and hope will always prevail in everything that we do. That's why Yuval, such a fantastic artist, because she understand everything in the world, and for the experience she had. And that's why this message, New Day Will Rise, it sends a lot of great message. Wow. The background of this song, this semi-final round, she performed already for the grand final, and this is great. Give her 12 points. Goodness, I'm angry.
New day will rise.
Whew, goodness gracious. See, I think three languages she just put in this one. English, I think French, and also in Hebrew. And that's incredibly amazing. Hearing with the wonderful tone. Like those fired down, those staging, everything that you can see and hear, and the message, it's perfection already. My God, crown her, give her the trophy. Israel, rock the stage, rock the performance of this Eurovision Song Contest semi-final round.
Even if you say goodbye, a new day will rise. A new day will rise. Thank you, Europe. I love you. Merci, Dada.
Oh my goodness. That was so amazing performance of her. That's so fantastic. I'm enjoying the way she did at the start, that I felt so emotional with it. I'm so glad she performed it so nicely at the ending, that she just thankful in a French language. Merci. Whew, goodness gracious. I love Yuval Rafael, and please vote for Yuval to win this year's Eurovision Song Contest 2025. And no matter what will happen, I will always support Yuval Rafael because she's great and she's so amazing. She's fantastic artist, and she will get drawn into you because of the talent, because of this amazing voice, this amazing story that she tells into the world, and that's incredible. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one because I enjoyed it so much. Her delivery, her emotional message, her powerful message of the song, it's so great that you enjoyed listening. Whew, thank you so much, guys. And yeah, please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Thank you so much. Shalom and God bless. See you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys. Mabuhay kayong lahat.